So now we are going to study the 10th module, that is the measurement of the study variables. That is, types of data is qualitative, that is nominal, that is color of eyes; quantitative, ordinal, that is stages of disease in question; quantitative, discrete, family size; and continuous is height and weight. Describe this intervalue data is not information, summarize average, mean, median, and mode. Arithmetic mean is commonly called as mean. It is at the all the observed value. Mean is sum divided by the number of values. Sample mean is denoted by a square. Population mean is denoted by mu. Age of 10 pregnant women, sum is this, and then we have to go mean is 26. Describe this intervalue, that is average, median. Median describes literally the middle value of the distribution. This divides the distribution exactly into two halves. 50% of data will fall on each side. Used when there are extreme values, median is used. Duration of days, hospital 11 patients. Ascending order having the median. Middle value is the sixth value. If n is taken, if n is even, then take the average of the middle two values. Okay, then there is a mode. Mode is the value that occurs most frequently. Location statistics used. Nominal data not measurable. Epidemiologically describing epidemic with respect to time. Color preference for people for their car is green, yellow, white, and red. So mode is the most number of occurring the data. Describe dispersion. It is enough to know the average. Example of swimming pool. Measures of variability are the range. The difference between the maximum and minimum value of the observation is the range. Advantage, a quick and easy indicator of dispersion. Disadvantage, influenced by extreme values, only use two data points. Okay, interquartile range, quartile deviation. Defined as interval between upper quartile Q3 and lower quartile Q1. Interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. Unaffected by extreme values as the quartile deviation covers only the middle 50% of the observations covered. So is it now mean deviation from the mean deviation is the average of absolute deviations of observations from the arithmetic mean. Advantage, it is based on all the observations in the group. It is easy to grasp the meaning of the procedure. Disadvantage, it ignores the sign of difference value of observation in the arithmetic mean. Okay, it is not widely used. Variability of more than advantage more. And third is the variance or standard deviation. Standard deviation is the root average of the squared deviations of observation or arithmetic mean. The square root of SD is called variance. Okay, so SD is the most important measure of distribution. The variance is unit squared. The SD is expressed in the same units of measurements as the observation. Suitable for the analysis. SD together with arithmetic mean is useful for description of the data. So root mean square deviation. Okay. Purpose to compare the relative variability of different groups. Coefficient of variation. Definition: coefficient of variation is the as percentage of arithmetic mean into 100 is coefficient of variation. Mean by mean or standard deviation if no extreme values. Median if extreme values are there. Mode, range of qualitative variables, time distribution. Mean and SD are used the most. Okay. And standard deviation is the root of average deviations from the arithmetic mean. Okay, the standard. Okay, now the MCQs.